Okay, every home cook should have their signature shrimp pasta on deck. Like, I'm good for some shrimp pasta, y'all. Like, I could make it 1,000 different ways, but this is the simplest way that I know how to make it and still have tons of flavor, and people come back for more all the time. So it's tomatoes, butter, garlic, parsley, lemon, and Parmesan cheese, and a shallot. Then, of course, your jumbo shrimp. So we're gonna go ahead and mince our garlic, chop our parsley, get our shallot ready, season our shrimp, salt, pepper, Cajun or seafood seasoning to taste. We're gonna sear it off just for a couple of minutes until they look like this. Then we're gonna go ahead and remove it to the pan, add all those ingredients again, season well, and then deglaze with some white wine or some seafood broth or chicken broth, whatever you have. Then you add back in your shrimp and add tons of Parmesan cheese because there's never enough. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our pasta. Everyone always asks what kind of pasta this is. It's called Mafaldine pasta. I found it at Wegmans. It's really delicious. It's like a take on a lasagna noodle, but in the form of a like long noodle, like a linguine or a I don't know, spaghetti, but it kind of looks like a lasagna noodle. Anyway, mix it all together, combine it, turn your heat off, and then serve this up. I like to hit it with a little bit more fresh parsley at the end. This is just a really classic, delicious, easy shrimp pasta dinner. Again, I think every home cook should have this in their back pocket for those nights where all you have are, some leftover tomatoes and some fresh shrimp or frozen shrimp. Like, this looks like $1,000,000 because it's such a classic, beautiful, like restaurant worthy dish that you can really make from humble ingredients and really fresh ingredients or frozen ingredients. Like, it's really up to you. All I know is that it's really yummy. It's super comforting, and it doesn't have a ton of dairy, like heavy cream or any of that. You just keep it super fresh. So it's really versatile, and I think that a lot of people sometimes forget that the simpler a pasta dish is, sometimes the more delicious it can be. So I hope you guys will give this a try.